Alright. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Oh crap, my hand's stuck. Help! Help me! Help! Okay. But yeah guys, welcome to another video. Today, we will be doing RPG trolling. As you see here, I got RPGs. Yes, a lot in RPGs. So yes, we will be trolling today. So now let's get right into the video.
Tell me I'm floating.
No, bro.
Hey,
Tiny.
You
do it. Tiny. Press B.
I've been Tiny.
What happened?
What happened?
Fine, I'm not gonna bring my golden.
What happened if you press B?
Oh, you have those. Oh my god. I'm a Minecraft pig axe. Want me to show you something?
Whoever says the N word first, I'm giving them bits. Whoever says the N word first.
You wanna be an English?
What?
Whoever says the N word
This
first.
sucks. Oh my god. Be an Englishfish?
Okay, that was crazy. You love me. Dun 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 dun.
What the heck?
Yo, slowly body, slowly body.
Yeah, bro, you want that?
Of the
There's
living.
free candy out there.
Wait, there's free candy?
Yeah, bro.
There is?
I'm going on my villain arm.
I thought he was getting free candy.
I need to talk to him.
Bro, imagine stealing my stuff. Dang, you're kind of gay.
Son. Oh, I'm sorry. Where's my son?
Nah, bro, you trying to steal my stuff? You trying to steal my stuff? Huh?
Where's my
What?
son?
You're trying to steal
Everybody,
it?
there's
Son.
candy out there. Everybody,
Son.
there's candy out there.
Got me.
There's candy out there?
There's candy out
Back in
there.
the day we had.
Dang.
Oh wait,
There's
Where'd
V-Bucks,
it go?
there's Skibbity Toilet Rizzlers out there.
back in the day we didn't play those games,
Dang.
I
son.
told you.
Bro did. Ooh, dun, 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 dun.
Son, you wanna come down and be our head?
Alright, I'm gonna run.
So,
Everybody, there's Rizzlers out there. There's two
let's go
Rizzlers
play on it.
out there.
let's go. Come on,
Oh.
let's go play on it.
Dun, 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 dun.
C5 full farm. Somebody want to suck my toes?
Yo, what? Yo, bro, why is everybody
I'm
huge?
gonna kill him.
Bro, these are twin. Someone stealing RPGs.
Son, I thought you wanted to land in your headset.
Too big, bro. I'm too big.
Tung tung sung saboom.
Son, smaller.
Why is bro so slow?
Today we're going
your
to
son
school, okay?
sucks.
You need to eat this today.
Stupid son sucks.
Can I be your son?
Tung tung tung
Can I
saboom.
be your son?
Yeah.
Can I be your son too?
Bro, I accidentally just went inside the new map, bro. He just threw an RPG?
Your
What?
dad doesn't care about you. Your dad
I'm gonna
doesn't care
pack your
about
lunch
you.
today.
Yo, bro,
okay?
guys, somebody's up there on the tippy top. Man, he looks
Hey, you
important.
don't touch Grandpa's cane, okay?
Bro, somebody's all... Bro, guys, look up there. Y'all see that speck up there? Dude, somebody's up there. Somebody's all the way up there. Tung 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 saloon. Bro, I was literally about to revive him.
All the way up there.
Dun, 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 dun.
Where's our school? I don't know where's our school. What? Come on. Landon, stop.
I think you got him.
Ow!
Yeah, bro, he fell. He fell down. Ooh. How'd that not kill him, bro? I literally shot a rocket launcher at his face.
Because you suck, that's why.
Broccoli.
Ah, what'd you say?
Broccoli did suck.
Alright, I remember that.
He took it. Stop taking it.
Bro, how do I accidentally keep on entering here? Whenever I want to, I never can.
Guys, I need to become richer. Can you guys help me, please?
How did I go so tiny?
Give. Broccoli, give.
I
go to school now. Go to school. It's over there. Right in here. Right in here. Right in there. Okay. He's gonna have a great day at school.
You left me!
I gotta save my son.
Son? He has a kid?
Grandpa!
Now that makes me want to kill him more.
Grandpa!
It's not me.
Nah, him having a kid wants me to kill him more.
Bro!
Tung saboom.
Mommy, more broccoli
Oh crap.
now.
No, I need to get more rocket launcher ammo, bro. Calm down. I need more. I need RPG ammo. No. No, I'm stuck in here. Michael, don't leave me here. Michael. Hey, can you put me back in my body? Bro, what?
Have more broccoli?
I didn't even get a chance to
Today
fly.
we're going to do a job, son.
Ain't no way, bro's already kicking his kid out so he can get a
You're
job.
not gonna go to school today.
But, hey, Red, you're supposed to give me broccoli. My time ran out.
Yo, nah, Green, bro, what's your beef with me, dude? You got no beef with me.
Okay.
Or it's the bird. Red, you have to give me more broccoli.
Nah, Green, walk outside. Yeah, walk outside.
Red, I thought I was your grandpa. Yeah, you guys are all three of my sons.
Yeah, that's right, Dad. Get out.
Today we're going to
I was the OG, bro.
Get your pickaxes, son.
Where's
Everybody! Everybody! Here, I'll buy the flashlight. I'll buy the flashlights, everybody. I'll buy them.
Dun 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 dun.
Okay, I'll be the light. Alright, come on, let's go.
Son, wait a minute, son.
What?
Just don't give me a hook shot.
Let's go mining.
I'm breaking your TV, Dad. I don't care anymore. What the hell?
Grandpa, I mean, son,
Dad,
that's
I'm
not
breaking your TV.
I just killed
I'm
Green
breaking
again,
your
bro.
TV now, Dad. Dad, I'm breaking your TV. I'm breaking your TV now.
Kids, let's go mining.
Okay. Dad, don't look at your TV, okay? It's
Raw, I will save you. Yo, bro. Oh, okay. He went in there with him.
Let's go.
Yo, what's up, Green? Yo, do you still have beef with me, Green? Yo, what's up? Oh, nah, crap, I missed. Crap.
Yeah, buddy, how's it feel?
Alright, that's it.
I can fly. Oh, guys.
Nah. I'm on a hunt. He ain't getting away. Bro, what? Oh, no, that little rat.
Yo, look.
That little rat.
Guys, who wants to have enough time? You have it, I know.
Where is he?
Come on. Can I get one?
Bro, think he's so. Where is he? Oh, bag. Boink. Is that my other RPG? Yeah, that's my other one. lava, hey, yo, what's up, bro? You wanna kill me? Why'd you kill me?
I didn't kill you.
You killed me earlier, bro. You literally just killed me.
You guys are dickheads.
Guys.
Yo.
Yeah, bro, can I borrow that real quick? Gee, thanks. Yeah, I need to get revenge real quick. I gotta kill this kid. What's up, bro? I thought I was gonna play nice. Nah. I'm gonna do my own thing. Who was that? Alright.
Guys, I got you guys.
Nah, did bro just say the N-word?
Dad!
What?
Dad!
So
Yeah, I don't know either, bro. I'm trying to kill you now, but I killed you.
Oh, bet. Come on, RPG. Come
Dang,
on.
we both had the same idea. Shut him up.
What? No, how did he not die? How did he not die?
Move out, bye. Move out.
Oh.
You want to go 911 ABC if you want to do Minecraft roleplay?
no.
What was the code again? 911 ABC.
911 ABC.
You forgot about me.
911 ABC.
Oh, God, no! Wait, you're my brother! We never betrayed each
All
other!
these years.
Hey, what?
Lila.
Alright, so this was the code for the Minecraft roleplay? I'm guessing?
Yeah, we're doing the Minecraft roleplay, guys. Guys, can somebody? Guys.
Why do we all have?
Wait,
Why
guys,
do we
guys.
all have freaking RPGs right now?
Yeah!
Bro, it looks like we're all about to gang up on
Guys,
somebody.
guys, what's the cube dynamite unlocked?
Bro. Who just explode?
The cube one. You got
I
the
think I
cube
just lost my Dragon
cube-
RPG because somebody
Who
just
got the-
blew it up.
Who wants the cube dynamite unlocked?
Me. No, I can't do it. Wait, I don't. Wait, I don't.
Oh wait, alright, yo, big.
Okay, guys.
Bro, wait, how did we just get blasted? Wait, yo, bro, whoa. What? Revive me, please. Can somebody revive me? Bro, every time I die, it immediately transports me back.
Everybody, guys, everybody friend me except for this person.
Bro, I didn't mean to, bro.
No, everybody, friend me except for this person. All right, guys.
Okay. That's why you're ugly as hell, bro.
Hey, yeah, bro, family friendly. Family friendly.
Guys. Whose was this? Guys, whose rocket launchers were these? Me.
Oh, I had the dragon one.
I had the normal one.
Yeah, he had the normal one, I had the dragon one. Cause whenever somebody blew up my thing, I dropped it so I can like grab it with my other hand.
Oh.
And I lost it, yeah. Cause whenever it got blown up, it went somewhere and I couldn't find it.
Guys, want to see something cool? Don't steal it. Yo! Wait, do it again. I won't steal. Oh, wait, hold on. I messed up. Wait.
Oh yeah. Oh, I did that with the Coke bottle, dude. It was so funny. Like the Coke bottle was literally breakdancing.
Oh yeah, you did it. Nice job.
I'm joking.
Yo, it's this.
Oh, damn. Bro, why do we all have RPGs, bro? Like, what's going on?
Guys, are we gonna do the Minecraft roleplay or not?
Yeah.
we're gonna do the Minecraft.
Bro, put the gun away.
Who has a cube dynamite?
I do not.
I don't know. Wait, let me ask.
I do not have it
Regular
because
dynamite.
why have that if you have regular dynamite? So I never bought it.
Wait, buy me one. Okay, guys. If you have regular dynamite, come over here. Oh, you bought that?
Nice.
Okay, guys.
Who killed me?
I didn't.
The red one.
Bro, no. Everybody doing this code except for Golden. No, guys, I got you, Golden. Golden, I got you.
I bet.
No!
I'm not gonna kill you.
Bro, can you buy me cube dynamite?
Let's do roleplay.
Okay, guys, is somebody gonna buy me cube dynamite?
I do not own them. I only blew you up as a joke. Okay, I'm not gonna do it anymore. Lexi, I'll put my RPG up.
Dude, I hate that guy.
Nah, bro, you're not gonna know.
Bro, somebody explode my cube dynamite.
It's not me.
Stop killing!
Bro, died.
Alright, I'm gonna kill myself, guys.
Let's go now, bye.
Oh, he has red watch. He has red watch. And I hear the big boom.
Cruz, help me.
Guys, if you keep... Guys,
Bad boy.
if you keep doing... Guys, if you keep doing bombs, I'm gonna leave the code and we're not gonna do Minecraft roleplay.
Oh, he...
Okay, let's go.
Oh, dang, that was a nice kill.
Everybody, if Black asks questions, ignore him, alright? Ignore him.
Guys, can someone kill me right now, bro?
No.
Hey, can someone kill me?
Dun, 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 dun.
But there
Bro, who's just trying to blow me up? Whoever did, they failed
No,
miserably.
he was trying to blow me up.
Man, somebody give me ammo, somebody give me ammo,
You put
somebody
me
give
in
me
the
ammo.
middle, stupid then.
Dun, 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 forever. Bro, who keeps on blowing everybody up, dude?
not me. Yo, guys,
Who
wanna see
blew
a
him up?
firework?
Who blew
Oh,
him up?
guys, I saw somebody up there. I just saw a pixel up there.
Where?
Somebody's up there
Where?
shooting everybody with the rocket launcher.
Where?
I don't know. I just saw a rocket launcher ammo just come down here and blow everything up. Oh, no, that was the guy to check out to see who was doing it.
Oh, so give me ammo, somebody give me ammo.
You guys want to see a firework? Yo, guys, want to see a firework?
Wait, I think it was Gold Dog. I think it was Gold Dog or something. Yeah, it was.
Guys, want to see a firework? Guys, want to see a firework?
It was
want to
Black Dog.
Guys, you want to see a firework?
No, please don't tell me that. Oh.
I don't care though.
You want to see a firework?
Okay, I did not do that.
Can someone give me a firework? Does anybody want to see a firework?
Yeah.
There you go, kaboom!
And when I say I hear the big boom.
Guys, let's just do the Minecraft roleplay.
Yeah,
Bro,
so
why
far
do you
nobody's
kill me?
cooperating with it, and they keep on buying more
Guys,
controllers.
guys, bro, friend me, bro, golden guy, friend me, alright?
Oh
Friend me,
crap!
friend me.
Okay, I got a feeling bro was gonna shoot me.
Wait, friend him.
Well, I'm kind of doing a video right now where I blow people up as trolling. So.
Bro, man, you
Okay, bro, do you want to do the Minecraft roleplay with me?
I do
Alrighty.
Minecraft roleplay, dude.
Bro.
I do the Minecraft.
Yeah, okay, come on, let's go.
Well, sadly, guys, this is the end of the video, but let me do one more thing. Right now. Alright, I want to do one more thing for y'all before I have to go. Okay, guys, there's one last thing I want to do. And by the way, please like and subscribe for more Animal Company videos just like this. When I say here, I hear the big boom.